Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can easily and simple get an opening video only with the CapCut, because the CapCut already provide you a lot of templates for the opening section. Just tap into the CapCut and let's find the video that you want to add the openings, and right after that you just need to tap into the text right here. That it could be like a lot of options. Now you just need to go tap into this text templates. And the next thing you need to do is just go find the templates that you want to use. You can do it social media, or you can also do it a vlog. And the next, you just need to go tap into the template that you want to use here. And now you can just go change into the text as what you want. And adjusting everything here. And the next, you can also adjusting the duration of the opening if you want. And right after you're done, this is what will you got. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other video. Subscribe for more information, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for the upcoming video.